Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see how to find the median of the given data. In the previous episode we have seen how to find the mode of the group data, and today we will see how to find the median of the grouped data. Here is the question on the screen. A survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 50 girls of class 10th of school was conducted and the following data was obtained. Here in a school a survey was conducted and the heights of 50 girls from class 10th was collected and it is given in the following tabular form, and it is asked that to find the median of the given data. To find the median of the given data, we have to add one more column to the given these two columns, that is class and that of the frequency. So first we will draw that table. So here is the table, that height in centimeter the first column, number of girls the second column, and the third column, that which we have added, is of cumulative frequency. So add the column for cumulative frequency. Now first we will find the cumulative frequency. You know how to find the cumulative frequency, that you have studied in the 9th standard. First you write 2 as it is. Then to this 2 you add the next frequency, that is 8. So 2 plus 8, that will be 10. Then to this 10 we add the next frequency, that is 12. So 12 plus 10, that will be 22. Then 20 plus 22, that will be 42. And 8 plus 42, that will be 50. Once we have calculated the cumulative frequency, we take the sum of the frequencies. There is no need to add this frequency because it is already given in the question that the number of girls are 50. So this sum will be 50, and that sum is denoted by n is equal to 50. So first what we do, we take the cumulative frequency, then we take the total of the frequency. This total of the frequency and the last cumulative frequency should be same. And now see what is the formula to find the median. So the formula to find the median, I am writing here that median, which is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by h. This is the formula to find the median. Now we will see what is L, what is cumulative frequency, what is frequency, what is height, and what is n by 2. So here you have got 50. So first we will take half of this 50, and that is n by 2. So 50 by 2, that will be 25. N by 2 will be 25. Now once you have got 25, just search for 25 in the cumulative frequency. Search for 25 in the cumulative frequency. That 25 will lie from between 22 to 42. That will lie between 22 to 42. So we will take 42. Since 25 is n by 2, that 25 will lie between 22 and 42. So we will take 42. And the class belonging to 42, that will be called as the median class. So this is the median class. Okay, this is the median class. And then the frequency belonging to the median class, that is 20, that is denoted by F. Now you have got F, you have got median class, and now you require cumulative frequency. Correct? What is cumulative frequency? We take the cumulative frequency which is previous to that of the median class. Means this frequency is taken as CF. So this is taken as CF. And so friends, here you have got median class, you have got F, you have got CF, and now you can find the median of the given data. So we will find the median of the given data by putting the values in the formula. So here you will get median that is equal to, now what you require, L will be what? L is what? Lower limit of the median class. So the lower limit of the median class will be 150. This will be the upper limit, this will be the lower limit. So L will be 150, correct? So L will be 150 plus, then n by 2. N by 2 is what? It is 25. So write it 25. Minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 22. So it is 22. Upon frequency. Frequency is what? It is F. So that is 20. Multiplied by height. Height, you know, it is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. That is, in this case, it is 10. Now first we solve this part, correct, and convert it to the decimal form and then add it to 150. That is the easiest way. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So which is equal to 150 plus 25 minus 22, that is 3 upon 2. And 3 upon 2, that will be 1.5. So which is equal to 150 plus 1.5. And that will be equal to 151.5. So which is equal to 151.5. And so median is equal to 151.5. So at the end write the answer that median is equal to 151.5 centimeter, because it is a height and height is given in centimeter. So median is equal to 151.5 centimeter. Now let us see one more question which is on the screen, that weekly income of 600 families is given below and find the median. Here in this table, the weekly income of the families number in 600 is given and we have to find the median. As we have seen in the previous question that we have to add one more column to this given table, and that will be of the cumulative frequency. So first let us draw that table. So here is the table on the screen. That first column contains income in rupees, second column contains number of families, and here the third column will be of cumulative frequency. So first we will take the cumulative frequency. To find the cumulative frequency, we first write the first frequency as it is 250. Then to 250 we add the next frequency. So that will be 440. Then to 440 we add 100. So it will be 540. Then to 540 we add 40. So it will be 580. And to 580 we add 15, and so it will be 595. And then to 595 we add 5, and that is 600. Now the next step we do that we take the sum of the frequency, and the sum of the frequency is already given in the question, that is 600. So the total of this is 600, and this 600 we denote by n. So first check whether this total frequency and the last cumulative frequency are correct or not. If this is not correct, then check your cumulative frequency. Now we have to find the n by 2. So n by 2, that will be equal to 600 and by 2, and so that will be 300. So n by 2 is 300. So search for 300 in the cumulative frequency, and here you will find that it lies between 250 to 400. This 300 lies between 250 to 440, and therefore we take 440. And the class interval belonging to 440, we take it as median class. This we take as median class. So this is the median class, and then the frequency, cumulative frequency previous to this is called as the cumulative frequency denoted by CF, and the frequency to this median class, that is 190, is denoted by F. So here we will write F is equal to first write the median class, that is equal to 1000 to 2000. Then L, that is lower limit, which is equal to 1000, and after that F, that is 190, and then cumulative frequency, that is 250, and then we write H, and H is equal to 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, that is height is 1000. Now we put all this information in the formula used to find the median. So here we will write the formula for median, and that median is calculated by formula median, that is equal to L plus, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency upon F multiplied by H. So L is what? It is 1000. L is 1000 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 300. So put that n by 2 300 minus cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 250. So 250 divided by F. F, that is frequency, is 190 multiplied by H. H is what? 1000. Now nothing left, just calculate this to get the median. So which is equal to 1000 plus 300 minus 250, that is 50, by 190 multiplied by 1000. So 10 and 10 we will get cancelled. So first solve this to get it in a decimal form, and then add it to 1000. If you solve this and add it to 1000, you will get it as 1263.158. This will be the median. So at the end write the answer that median is equal to 1263.158 and highlight your answer. And since this median is the income, and therefore the median will be written as rupees, its unit will be what? Rupees 1263.158. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with me, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this channel.